What's up, guys? Cameron here from Android Police. Today we are taking a look at Focal. This is the new camera application that will be the first step of what CyanogenMod is calling Nemesis. Basically what this is it's a highly optimized camera application that will take the place of the stock Android camera app in future versions of CyanogenMod. So just right off the bat, you can see here, let's just get started with it. That is the focus ring. You can see, you can watch it moving around here, and the camera focuses on different parts of the picture. And over here on the left side, we have what's called the exposure ring, which is my favorite part of this app. You can watch as I move it around to various different parts, how it automatically adjusts the exposure accordingly. It's an absolutely fantastic feature. Over here on the right side is the shutter button. If you long press on it, you can choose the different options: the front-facing camera, pick spheres, video, panorama, and then of course just regular camera mode. And there, if you swipe up on the screen, you can see the bar in where you will choose all your options, and there are plenty to choose from. So let's just run through them real quick. In order: flash, white balance, scene mode, and if you long press on any of these, it shows what they are: color effects, exposure, color enhancements, exposure measure mode, ISO sensitivity, burst, timer, and settings. Within the settings menu, you can toggle things like the exposure ring there. You can see it just disappeared, which I love it, so I'll keep it up. You can turn on the grid if you want. This down here, right here, is the auto enhancement feature. So when this is on, it has sort of a Google Plus like auto enhancing ability. Makes the picture look better automatically. But here's the thing: if you watch the top left corner of it, after I take this picture, up in the top left, you can see that icon. It just appears and kind of flashes. It takes about 5 to 7 seconds to automatically adjust the picture, and there you could just see the little save icon. If you exit the app or take another picture before it's finished adjusting, that picture will not display correctly, or maybe not even at all. So I've actually left that off. Just because it's just easier, but still it's a really cool feature, nice feature to have, could be very useful. Another cool thing is you can enable as many of these as you want at the same time, and you can drag and move them around. So that's really useful if, say, you're jumping between scenes using scene mode, and let's say you want to adjust your ISO sensitivity at the same time. Maybe you're shooting some action, kids or something running at night, and you want to put it on sports mode. You can tap that, and let's say since it's dark out, you want to change the ISO to 100. Very easy, and then you can just go right on shooting from there. So let's put these back on auto, turn it back off. And also, let me bring up a couple more of these just to show you real quick. If you swipe down on the screen, it will hide the bar, and if you swipe down again, it hides the widgets. And again, you can swipe up, and it'll bring them back up. So overall, this is a really fantastic, camera app. A lot better than the stock Android app. It's going to be it's a really nice addition to CyanogenMod, which it will hopefully start showing up in builds as of this weekend. Just as long as everything, if everything continues to go along and progress the way it has been, you should be able to get it by this weekend.